People think you have to train heavy, you need to be strong in order to build muscle. And that is just not true. Because strength and muscle are not codependent upon each other. That's because most strength comes from these two different factors right here. Not necessarily muscle size, but joint surfaces. When two bones meet at a joint, like say in my knee, like this bone meets this bone, there's two surfaces that have to come in contact with one another. If those surfaces are very large, that means they can tolerate more weight. Does that make sense? So people with bigger joints can actually move more weight. There's also connective tissue. Now, connective tissue is how your muscle actually connects to your bone. So it's the anchor point, it creates stability, it's how the muscle pulls things. So if you have really thick connective tissues, which some people do, then you're gonna be able to move a lot more weight. If you have really thin connective tissues, then you may not be able to move as much weight. So it's not dependent on muscle size as much as it's dependent on the joint and the connective tissue itself.